Today I'd like to share with you a few tips that I discovered while troubleshooting some candidate profile issues for a client. Both of the following issues involve the background elements section of the candidate profile. The first issue was really an aesthetic issue when viewing the section from a laptop or an average size monitor. As you can see here highlighted in red, the field label column is very narrow, forcing the label verbiage to appear in multiple lines in some cases. While the section containing the pick lists on the other side here, well, there seems to be a lot of wasted space on this side. My client really thought that this presented a poor user experience and wanted me to research if there was a configuration solution to adjust the left column width. I found, however, that there was no way to adjust the width in the candidate profile XML through coding. The issue was actually a result of the pick list values. So I'm going to jump now into a live view and show you what I mean. What I found was that the left column auto-justifies based on the largest pick list value contained in the background element itself. So let me open up one of the pick lists and show you what I mean. I can see under this major label that I have a very long open space here. So I'm going to open this up and show you. We have a lot of large values in this section, and I would bet that there's one, the exact width of that open space up there. And there it is, right there. There's the culprit. So as you can see, this one pick list value is really determining this section right here. Of course, it will only go so far. This is the maximum or the minimum amount of column width that it would push it to. However, that's what's causing the issue. So to solve this issue, what we did was go back to the actual pick list itself through the admin tools, downloaded the pick list, and then went in and reduced the largest value by using acronyms or abbreviations. And I'll show you what I mean here. I now have the pick list open, and you can see there's a lot of large values here. So all we did was really go into this section, adjust these values down to a reasonable amount, and the ideal width I found is approximately 45 to 50 characters. After that, it starts to affect that left column. So all we did was adjust these, save it, and upload it back into the pick list values within the admin tools of the client site. Okay, so now let me show you a background element that has pick list values within the reasonable range. I'll close this out here. I'm just going to go down to the next section and open that up. So as you can see here, this is a section that this human resource professional is the largest value, and everything is on one line. It looks aesthetically pleasing, and it just looks more balanced in general. I know this fix might sound minor, but it did improve the candidate experience and made a huge difference to the client, particularly since after putting in a support ticket, they were told that nothing could be done, except that the user could reduce their screen zoom to below 75%, which makes the font very small. So I hope this was helpful to you, and thank you.